Meaning of excessive.
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 Excessive. The word excessive refers to something that is beyond what is considered necessary or reasonable. When something is excessive, it is often seen as being too much or overly abundant. This can refer to various areas of life, such as spending, consumption of food or alcohol, or even emotions and behavior. Excessive behavior can lead to negative consequences, such as health problems, financial difficulties, or strained relationships. Therefore, it's important to be mindful of our actions and strive for balance in all aspects of our lives.